in a rush because I just booked a last minute boat tour. Well, I didn't book it yet, but it's supposed to be a snorkel boat, so I'm trying to hurry up. They didn't accept my credit card, so now I have to pay with my debit card, but I'm just gonna rush. Okay, let's go. I'm at this place called Boots and Bones. It's Melanin owned, so I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat here. I have to be out of here by noon, so I ordered myself the chopped chicken. It was only like $14. Hey guys, so I am changed back into my bikini, hurried up and put everything away, used the bathroom really quick. Now I am rushing to get ready for this boat tour, and I'm not gonna miss this one because I paid for this one. I'm gonna take my hair out, and yeah, I'm gonna go on this boat tour. I'm so excited. Like, I hope it's fun. I'm here at Buck Island, and it's so beautiful here. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to miss happy hour. Okay, I'm talking to myself. I'm trying to hurry up. I'm trying to get that happy hour, that drink that was really, really good. So I'm gonna rush down. I'm dressed, I'm ready to go. This is the outfit. You guys have seen me wear this before. I'm gonna take my hair down. Just had it up so I could shower. But, oh, hold on. Yeah, this is a cute outfit. Look, and it looks so much better with heels on, cause anyways, so let's go get that drink, and then I'm gonna head to the Melanin owned restaurant, which I'm so excited that I finally found it earlier today. So let's go do that.
What you get?
Good rising, everyone. So I'm walking towards the beach. I'm headed towards Sugar Beach. I'm walking there. I have a blister on my right foot. I think I stepped on something, so I'm trying not to irritate it anymore. But it's about a 30-minute walk. I'm about 5 minutes into it, and I have to check out at noon today, so I'm probably only going to be there for an hour, hour and a half, but I just wanted to see another beach before it's time for me to leave. I'm just here tanning for a bit. They say that I should be at the airport about 3 hours early, but I don't like to be at the airport that early. So I'm right now trying to figure out a taxi to get me back to the airport that's not going to charge me an arm and a leg. This has been like my favorite spot here at this hotel, is like this rooftop area. It's just so peaceful. No one's ever up here. So this is probably my favorite part of this hotel. Yeah, I'll probably tan for another 15 minutes and then I'm gonna get changed and try to figure out transportation.